Hey, it's me again. I keep thinking of little things as I'm in the studio while I'm busy doing them. I think, oh, quick, that's something I need to share. So it's not quite a long video. It's a quick little tip of something while I'm actually busy doing it. And then it comes to my mind, I need to let you guys know about it. So here it is, just a quick one. I've made these spoons. Some are shorter, some are longer. The concept is the same, okay? Now, I like to make them where they're a bit grooved like this. I mean, a bit curved, should I say, not grooved. Because they're comfortable to hold when you're using the sugar bowl or whatever it is, but they're comfortable. So when you fire them, they often slump right here because clay moves while it's in the kiln and it goes flat. And then you end up with a very flat spoon, which is okay, but I think these are nice. I think they look nicer too. So a little tip, I thought I'll share it with you while I'm busy doing it. So as you can see, I'll show you here because then you can see clearly what I mean. Here's the curve of the spoon. All right. Now I want to keep that curve, but once I've fired it, or once I put in even the bisque, there's a good chance it could start going flat. And this piece here could be flat on the board and just straight. So a way to avoid that is make yourself some little, these are just like little bisque sausages really, because they are flat like that. They're little round sausages. And I've got different sizes. I've got smaller one here, depending on what it is. And these, the reason they look a different color, because they've been in the kiln already. You can use them over and over and over. And you can use them in the bisque firing and the glaze firing. And what you do is, okay, choose the size. Okay, the small one looks like it's going to be best for this spoon. So you put it under the height part where you don't want it to slump. So when it bisques, this might go down slightly, or you could even put another little sausage over here. Sometimes I do actually put two. Then let me just show you that. Oops. So what you could do is have a big one and a small one. And you can have the big one, as you can see, keeping the curve. And then the smaller one like that. That also works. This is a little bit small for this particular spoon. But you get the idea. So you fire it like this in the bisque. And you can fire it like that in the glaze firing if you wax just the back and you don't glaze the back. If you do glaze the back, what I would do is get a stilt, the little stilts with the 3 prongs, and then, whoopsie, oh my God, then get the stilt and put the little stilt in that same place there where I've just put those little sausages. Put a stilt there, because if the back is glazed, and it's going to do the exact same, it's going to have the same purpose. So you don't lose your beautiful curve, because I just think they look aesthetically pleasing, but yet they do have a function. They curve beautifully in your hand, so you don't really want to lose that if you can help it. So that's a quick video. I thought I'll share this with you while it's on my mind and while I'm busy doing that, because I'm going to put these in the kiln anyway. So that's a quick little tip. Me in the studio doing my thing. I do use my hands a lot, don't I? Oh well. If you enjoyed that video, that quick little video and a little tip in my studio, please follow along. Let me know that you liked it. Subscribe, follow, like, comment. Remember, nice comments. The whole truth. You know how it goes, the usual stuff that they always ask us to ask you. And if you learned something, let's carry on the journey and keep going. Cheers.